Porsche's now selling a $9,000 speaker that's fitted in an exhaust. Specifically, the speaker is fitted into a real 911 GT Freeze exhaust. It has virtual surround sound, it has Dolby Atmos, and 300 watts of power. So you're getting a really bad deal if you just want a speaker, but this is more of an artsy sculpture type thing, so take it for what it is. Just like you should take the tech news for what they are by following this channel. Now, if you like the idea of this, but can't afford the price tag of a good used vehicle, maybe go to the junkyard and find an exhaust and just stick a Bluetooth speaker into that. Or hurry up, because Porsche's only making 500 of these. So a speaker within an exhaust. Now I think there's only going to be two kinds of people that are going to be looking at this thing, and the first kind of people is going to think this is incredibly stupid and ridiculous, and the other half of the people is going to think, hey, this is really cool. So yeah, Porsche is only going to be making 500 of these units, so obviously that is why this is really so ridiculously expensive, because I mean, you do need to do some significant tuning as well, you know. It's not like you can just put speakers into this thing and then just have it play. You have to actually tune them because of the way the sound will actually reflect within this thing and stuff like that. Whether it is or it is not worth the insanely high price tag, I don't know, I would say it's probably not, but I mean, if you're a hardcore Porsche 911 enjoyer, maybe you have a garage full of them, then sure, you know, like, why not? It's kind of cool as well. Although personally, I think it would be more cool if you just went to like a scrapyard, found one of these exhaust systems, you know, not one of these in particular, because these would be incredibly hard to find, but I think it would be cooler if you went to a scrapyard, just found like some sort of an exhaust system in good shape, and then just sort of put a Bluetooth speaker into that. You know, it'd be kind of cool, you know, you're also recycling and stuff like that, and undoubtedly it would be a lot cheaper. So this is the speaker. Obviously, as you can see, it's more of an art piece. This is not really something you would be using to get like super great sound. I mean, it has 300 watts, which obviously it's not that much. It gets plenty loud, but like for like a big party in your garage, it's not going to be the optimal thing, for example. And I don't know why you guys would want to host a party in your garage in the first place. That's pretty weird. But yeah, this is Porsche making another weird product. So only 500 of them, so go get them fast.